Well, the problem before us is this. We have the graph of f of x equals 2 to the x, and we're asked to graph g of x equals 2 to the x minus 1. That's just a vertical translation, dropping the whole graph down 1 unit. So let's consider the horizontal asymptote, and that is y equals 0. So if we subtract 1 from 0, we're at negative 1. And so that's the translated horizontal asymptote. Now the y-intercept is 0, 1. If we subtract 1 from 1, we get 0, and that'll be the translated y-intercept. And now we'll just graph it. And notice, all we did was drop the entire graph down 1 because we've got a vertical transformation. Well, now we're given the graph of f of x equals log to the base of 1/3 of x. And we're asked to graph g of x, which equals log to the base 1/3 of x plus 1. In other words, it's just a vertical transformation. We're going to raise this graph up 1 unit. So let's see, our existing x-intercept is at 1, 0. If we add 1 to 0, we've got a point on the graph, and that point's going to be 1, 1. Let's find the x-intercept, the new x-intercept. So we know this, the g of x will be 0 on the x-axis. That's the y value. So in other words, we'll set g of x equal to 0, but g of x is log to the base of 1/3 x plus 1. We'll set that equal to 0. So log to the base of 1/3 of x equals, subtracting 1 from both sides, negative 1. Well, let's rewrite this in exponential form so we can find x. So 1/3 and the exponent's negative 1 to the negative first power equals the result x. Well, 1/3 to the negative 1 is 3. So x equals 3. So when x is 3, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 3, g of x will be 0. So now we've got a couple points on the graph. We can go ahead, and by the way, why don't I write this as 3, 0. We can go ahead and graph this thing. So and we get, there we go. Anyhow, we've graphed it. Now we're done. Vertical translation.